2015 पोलीस महासंचालकांच्या परिषदेत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आणि पोलीस स्थानकांचे कामगिरी प्रमाण अशे तरेन मानांकन करपाचे निर्देश दिले. हे फावट 15,500 पोलीस स्टेशनांमदी दिवचल पोलीस स्टेशन 9वें.
Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi, इंच्यानी 10 बेस्ट पुलीस स्टेशन इन इंडिया डिक्लेअर केल्ली आसा. ह्या प्रमाणे बिचोलीम पुलीस स्टेशन ऑफ नॉर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गोवा पुलीस is ranking in 9th place out of 10. I am truly delighted knowing that Bicholim Police Station has been selected. Hard work done by the officer and staff of Bicholim Police Station, truly dedicated to their duties, honestly and sincerity has been rewarded.
हांव MHA इंडियाक चे आभार मानता की आमकां बिचोली पुलीस स्टेशनाक भारतांतले 9वें बेस्ट पुलीस स्टेशन म्हणून आमकां सिलेक्ट केलें. लोकांचो फीडबॅक जो आहा जेन्ना ते मनीस येयले MHAचे, सो तेंची लोकल इन्क्वायरी बी केल्ली आहा की पुलीस पब्लीक सर्विसेस कशें आहा. सो तेन्ना लोकांचो पसून फीडबॅक जो हांवें बिचोली लोकांक दिला तेचो तो पसून एक आदार आहा आमकां बेस्ट पुलीस स्टेशन मेळपाक.
It is indeed a matter of pride for Goa Police, people of Goa, and for our staff also that for consecutive second year we have been selected amongst the top 10 police station. Last year it was Kurchorem, this year it is Bicholim. Bureau of Police Research and Development had laid down certain parameters which includes your performance in the crime prevention, your performance in the detection work. So then at the same time there are other activities which may not be relevant to Goa but they are relevant to other states, like action on excise, okay, how much illegal liquor has been seized. So apart from that there were other miscellaneous activities, okay, what is the how many officers from the particular police station have undergone training in detecting or in investigating crime against women and children, and how is the law and order in that police stations, what is the cleanliness of the police station, how building is maintained, what is the turnout of the staff of that police station, what is the motivation level.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमारा वांगडा विनायक सामंत.